Alright, so we're continuing on from our previous video at the quarry. We're about half a kilometer away right now, and we're taking a look at some samples here that we're noticing. Just some samples that have fallen off the side of the mountain during the recent logging, as you can see. So we're going to take a couple of chip samples off of these pieces. As you can see, there's pyrite mineralization, and you can see that you almost have calcite there with a bit of quartz. So we're going to take a sample off of this. That's perfect. You can see there's a little bit of vuggy quartz and calcite with pyrite mineralization, so we'll take this sample here. Bit more mineral there. So there's our sample. Let's continue on. Alright, so we have another random rock here that we just found that was ripped up by logging. You can see there's pyrite mineralization on the first little piece that chipped off here, so we're going to take a sample off of this. Alright, so that's probably a good enough sample there. Alright, so we're making our way now to the incline shaft here. And what you have here is stuff from the mine dump. So they pulled copper out of here and a bit of gold and silver. So here's the remnants of the mine dump. It's pretty grown over, but here's the incline shaft. They also pulled out some talc out of this mine, which is used in stuff like baby powder, the white powder. So we're gonna sample this dump here, and maybe probably just take 1 or 2 samples for the sampling program, and then we'll continue on. Alright, so we've hammered a few rocks from the dump here, dug it out a little bit, and we're not seeing anything in the way of too much chalcopyrite mineralization, but we are seeing lots of pyrite. So there is a presence of silver here too, so we're thinking that there's going to be some silver here. You can see a little dot of your malachite staining. So we are going to take a couple samples here though, see what results come back, but probably not looking too good for gold, but there's probably some silver still in here. So these are all the samples we pulled out in the last 5 minutes. There's quite a few of them, but we'll just have to wait and see on the grade. So up the mountain a little bit up there, you have another shaft which is 6 meters deep. We've been there before, checked out the quartz vein, and it's virtually barren, so not much point even going checking out that. We've sampled that mine dump before, and we got decent results, but there wasn't a whole lot left, so I don't think we'll go back there tonight. So we got our samples from the mine dump. We took a chip sample off the entrance of the adit side of the shaft, and we'll show a couple of these. We'll show one of the chip samples that we found off the piece of rock laying there. We'll show a sample result from the mouth of the incline shaft, and then we'll show one from the dump. Perfect. So we're going to continue on. We're going to go check out another small little quarry. If we can make it. There's a lot of trees down. And then we'll post these results. Alright, so just on the way we noticed another quartz vein that had been recently exposed. You can see all the pyrite and chalcopyrite mineralization. Hordes and hordes of it. All throughout. You can see that there's some bornite in there as well. So this is similar to what we removed last year. We removed a ton from a quartz vein, and it was similar to this material here. Alright, let's continue on. Okay, so we were trying to get to another quarry, but looks like we're going to have to cut it short. We have some obstructions in the way from a recent windstorm. Lots of arbutus trees. There's about 10 of them down in a row. And then right when you get over the hill, there's another couple pine trees down. We do have a chainsaw, but we're not going to spend the time. It's going to be too late by the time we get there to do anything anyway. So we're going to end it here, and stay tuned for the assay results. We'll see you next time.